Hi, this is Dorothy Davis filling in for Stacy Schmidt, and this is the PennEnergy Weekly Petroleum Update. Oil prices have recovered from the recent announcement from the IEA that it would begin releasing oil from the strategic oil reserves. Oil prices have climbed to near $100 on the NYMEX after stocks showed draws following the U.S. holiday weekend. Oil continues to trade higher in London, with Brent crude near $115 a barrel. The price of oil may continue to climb, with various analysts bumping their oil price estimates based on strong fundamentals and shriveling spare capacity. In the deep waters of the U.S. Gulf of Mexico, Italian major Eni has started oil production from its Appaloosa field. Developed as a subsea tieback to the nearby Coral platform, the Appaloosa field is expected to produce 7,000 barrels of oil equivalent a day. Field development and production startups have been stifled for more than a year, following the Deepwater Horizon accident and Macondo oil spill that shut down deepwater drilling for months. In Montana, ExxonMobil works to clean oil spill that occurred with the company's Silvertip oil pipeline ruptured beneath the Yellowstone River. ExxonMobil quickly shut the pipeline, but between 750 and 1,000 barrels of oil are estimated to have leaked from the line on July 2nd. And the company has mobilized more than 400 people to help with the cleanup efforts. The PHMSA has ordered ExxonMobil to increase safety measures along the pipeline, as well as rebury the pipeline beneath the river and study the risk along the line where it crosses a waterway. ExxonMobil is required to submit a restart plan to the PHMSA before the pipeline can resume operations. The state of Alaska plans to sell nearly 15 million acres of state-owned land and waters for oil and gas exploration and development. The lease sale will be held October 26, 2011, and will involve some 2 million acres in the Beaufort Sea, 5.1 million acres in the North Slope, and 7.6 million acres in the North Slope foothills. Offshore Brazil, Petrobras has made 2 new deepwater discoveries in the Espírito Santo Basin. The finds, called Pé de Molec and Quinzim, follow the recent Brigadeiro find in the BMES-23 block. Petrobras, with partners Shell and INPEX, plan to continue exploration of the block, but multiple discoveries nearby each other usually point to an integrated development. In downstream news, Fluor has been awarded a contract by Lithuania's state-owned oil company to provide engineering services for a new floating LNG import terminal in Klaipėda, Lithuania. Argentina is also working on a similar concept, signing a 20-year agreement with Qatar Gas to supply LNG to South Cone LNG Hub, a new LNG floating, storage, and regasification unit being developed in the South American country. At the same time, several projects in North America, both in the U.S. and Canada, are progressing to liquefy natural gas and export LNG. Additionally, Foster Wheeler was awarded a FEED contract from Venezuela's state-run oil firm PDVSA for a new refinery to be built there. Thank you for joining us. This has been the PennEnergy Weekly Petroleum Update. I'm Dorothy Davis filling in for Stacy Schmidt.